Money Talk Show TV, baby. I am your host, the Money Coach, baby. Okay, get myself in here a little bit bigger. So y'all can see me. I'm the Money Coach, baby. Right, gonna get to you today's video. You know what I'm saying? My update on my daily options trading. You know what I'm saying? Today I had them with the Bang, baby. International Holdings, baby. Okay, if you don't know about it, the ticker symbol is EBON. All right, part of that cryptocurrency stocks that I've been telling everybody about. Bitcoin going ham. So I'm trying to go ham on option trade with stocks. Okay, all right, let's get into the video, baby. All right, now start working on that. Ebon had it. Okay, and the beginning of the market. So this beginning of the market, dig. Start off right here. Hit it. Start off at 11. Start off right here. I'm sorry. Start right here at the 9. And then boom, shot straight up to the 1048. So 11, 17, somewhere around in there. Another little push up. Big red candle. Nice big sell off right there. Okay. All right. So I'm already up from yesterday's. Okay. So when it got down here, drop, 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 drop. Oh, drop. Oh, man, it dropped so much. You know what I'm saying? It dropped so much that I was scared. Okay, now when it went down like that, I know you saying yourself, man, I would have sold. Most people would have got out. That's what you really call diamond hands, baby, okay? So I bought another call. I was scared. In actuality, I was up. When I look at my position, I'm down. You know what I'm saying? I'm like, oh, no. You know what I'm saying? I was up. That thing was looking nice. You know what I'm saying? So it was down. Okay. I do my research, you know what I'm saying? And I do trade and use Weevil. Okay. The link is below. If you deposit $100, baby, you want to get you that free stocks. Free stocks. You know what I'm saying? Valued up to $1,600 with the Weevil. Okay. So I had it on Weevil. I already was seeing it and watching it. You know what I'm saying? I'm up in my position on Weevil. So I'm trading on the Robinhood. I long trade means long or swing trade and long investment on the Weevil. But the Weeble, I'm like, okay, you know what I'm saying? All right, then I go look at the news. Why it's down right here? That's down right here. And, you know what I'm saying? Right here in this area. And, you know what I'm saying? You're nervous. When I seen it drop that low, because I see they just raised over $70 million, you know what I'm saying, plus for the Bitcoin mining. And right now, Bitcoin mining is was where it's at. So therefore, bam, baby, got it now, okay? And still holding strong, baby, till tomorrow, okay? You know what I'm saying? So be blessed to invest in yourself on that EBON, okay? Sold out, especially from here, all the way falling down. They would have been sold out right in here. They would have been sold. You know what I did? It boy double up. You know what I'm saying? Hit them with a double up. Double up. All right, but then I read the news also too. So in the news, you know what I'm saying? Okay, eBank prepares to launch Bitcoin mining business, baby. Okay, Ebon, Ebon, okay, ticker symbol EBON, mining business through the combined development of manufactured mining machines and third-party mining machines and leasing computing powers under a resolution approved its board meeting. Okay, so they had a meeting and they were talking about mining, boom. So therefore, I heard the news. That was the catalyst. Okay, that's what I was looking for. So therefore, when your baby went and looked at it, okay, and I watched it, you know what I'm saying? When it went up, I watched Big Baby. Got in there, double right there now, double up on me. So boom, that thing going. Up, up, up. You know what I'm saying? All the way up, baby. It's up. Okay. So that's the reason why I did my plays. What I did, baby. Okay. So remember, be blessed to invest in yourself. You want to leave comments, you want to know anything about the trading, you know what I'm saying? I am using Trading View. Trading View is what I use, just what you see in the background, baby. I use that to look at my trades, know when to get out of, when to exit, baby. Okay? So remember, be blessed to invest in yourself. Got some more videos coming, but leave them comments and the like button, baby. All right, out.